Is the 12th of June 2025. This is WIKISPEED Standup. You ready to start, Lauren?
Uh, Sorry, what did you say?
Are you ready?
Uh, yeah, just let me adjust my microphone here. Okay. Can you say something?
I can say something.
Yeah, okay, I can hear you a little better. Okay, this is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week been, I watched a bunch of videos about soldering, and I just got started trying to solder something. And I don't really know the result yet. I, I, I thought I got nothing, and then I thought about some more, and it looks like uh, I may have gotten it. It's really small to work with. And Yeah, I'm looking at USB microscopes, and I also want to buy some fire beetles for it. Which I just I haven't bought them yet, but I did some research. Coming week, I just want to carry on. And blocks are well, I haven't soldered in a long time, and actually I haven't soldered very much at all. And I think I mentioned, yeah, I found my I found another one with the pins, but it's all set up so that I have two tank level detectors, and I need those now because people want those. That's a good thing, but uh, I do want to go ahead with the soldering these things and ordering the fire beetles so I don't have to solder again. And back to you.
It's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Not a whole lot to report. I got my tank level, my pump monitor working, sorry. The one that I ran over the lawnmower last week. And it is reporting that, how long the pump is running and stuff. So I put it in a electrical fitting this time, but I don't have any cable management on it, so I there's still a possibility that I could damage the cable if I am not paying attention. So my wife has decided to kill all the vegetation around that tank so that we can put in like a reddish rock, decorative rock, and I shouldn't have to mow around it anymore. So that's progress. Um, so we fixed it and we made it so I shouldn't take the lawnmower anywhere near it again. So that's yeah. Well, anyway, nothing on Little Red Wagon Project or on Docker. And next week, um, I'm still hoping to get to Docker, although it's going to be in an evening because I seem to have all of my days taken up by yard work. And anyway, that's kind of how it works. And I'm going to be taking my Maslow 4.1 kit up to the lake with me. We're probably going to be moving up to the lake at the end of this week. So I'm running around trying to see what I have to take up there and what I'm going to forget and that kind of stuff. Blocks are part-time job, doing a little bit of work. Took on a different project, which I, of course, don't have time for, but I will try anyway. And yard work is taking up a lot of work as well, or a lot of time as well. Anyway, back to you.
Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna give myself a 10, team of 9, and process improvement. Yeah, still let's get more people, and maybe oh yeah, the other thing, this is a process improvement. I was gonna move this meeting to 5 p.m. Pacific time, but I want David on the call before we do that.
Right. So hopefully he is gonna join on here today. I am going to give myself five because I did one thing. It wasn't a very big thing, but I did one thing, and I'm going to go with a nine for the team because I think I did eight last week, and I did something, so we both did something, so I have to go higher. And no process improvement as such, and I think that's about it, unless you want to talk about something on the recording.
Um, did we have a split recording? I'm just wondering if we can turn off the recording and then turn it back on again if David shows up.
Um, I have a pause.
Yeah, just pause. Yeah, why don't you pause it?
Okay, so I will pause the recording right now.